Exploring the future of technology, gadgets, innovations, and AI? Welcome to Teq Future, where we dive into the world of tomorrow today. Are you fascinated by the latest gadgets, innovations, and the tech shaping our future? You've come to the right place. On this channel, we bring you exciting tech stories, in-depth gadget reviews, and thought-provoking insights into the technology revolution happening all around us. We'll explore everything from breakthrough AI technologies to the smartest wearables and the devices changing the way we live. Ever wondered how tech giants rose to power or what led to their downfall? We've got the stories you won't find anywhere else. From futuristic devices to real-world tech applications, we've got all the updates you need to stay ahead of the curve. So if you're ready to explore the future with us, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and become part of the Teq Future family. Teq Future, where tomorrow's tech is today's story. Let's unlock the future together.